ready to mess your car up?
Effing.
Damn! Hey, look at my toolbox. I have so many random tools in
You
it.
can probably have two because of your dad.
I know, I have barely any tools, but I have like the most important. Like we got this, we got some 10s.
More tape than tools.
Alright guys, we gotta talk about this thing today too. What's up guys, you watching another video. Gustavo just pulled up. We're about to do a little mod on his G80 M3. I'm excited, it's probably like my favorite mod you can do to these cars. Before we get into that, I want to tell you guys what happened to the GTR yesterday, bro. So yesterday morning, I was driving to go get my hair cut. I was driving casually, nothing crazy. I was cruising to the barbershop, and all of a sudden, the transmission light pops on. It goes into second gear, and it says transmission something malfunction, bro. Transmission system malfunction, I think. That is probably like every GTR owner's worst nightmare, bro. As soon as I seen the light, my heart dropped, and then like I said, it was in second gear. So I tried to shift, it shifted from second to fourth, then from fourth to sixth. Then I realized there's no more odd gears, bro. It was only even numbers. So 2, 4, 6, and there was no first, third, fifth, and also no reverse either. At that moment, I was like, wow, I think my GTR transmission is finally out, bro. Because if you guys know, or if you don't know, GTR transmissions are like the main thing that goes wrong on these cars. Luckily, as you can see, the car is actually going in reverse today. I have not driven it since, so the car is going in reverse right now though, so that's a good sign. Anyways, I made it to the barbershop barely. Like I was literally struggling to make it there in those couple gears that I had. Half the gears were gone and I was super scared. I texted my GTR mechanic right away. Shout out to Chris. If you guys have a GTR, I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here. He's literally a GTR genius, bro. He knows a GTR from inside and out. He's done a lot of maintenance on my car before. The car's tuned on Ecutech, so you can plug the little thing in and you can see everything on your phone. Like it's pretty cool on the app. You can actually clear the codes, do all that good stuff. So he told me to try to clear the codes and see if the light went away. Sure enough, it did go away. I thank God the car started driving normal again. I don't know what happened. That was a good sign though. That means my transmission isn't done completely. Luckily, I'll save a lot of money. If my transmission was gone, you're spending like $10,000 to like $15,000, I think, for an upgraded trans. That was like my biggest fear, but he told me to just drive the car around town, get it to like warm running temperature, get the transmission all hot, and see if the light came back on. And it didn't come on, so I don't know what to do, guys. I'm very scared to drive the car right now. I'm scared that the light's gonna come back on and something's gonna happen to the transmission. But I'm waiting for Chris to let me know when he's free so I can bring the GTR down there. I'm just gonna drive it straight to him. So he recommends like a transmission service. So we're gonna drain the fluids in the transmission, change the filters in the transmission, and he's also gonna look under it and all that good stuff to make sure everything's running good. I hope it's fine though. After he does all the transmission fluids, hopefully the car runs perfect again. But yeah, it's super scary, guys. I'm not gonna push the car at all until he checks it. All right, I'm gonna leave the GTR right there while we do these little mods. We're gonna mess up your car, bro. Alright guys, before we get too far into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to our homies at AD Digital Solutions. You guys know I have the GTR now, but we did have an E92 M3 in the past, and I'm still a BMW guy at heart. And AD Digital Solutions makes these really sick BMW products. We got a bunch of phone cases and other accessories from them. They make these really sick products. They make phone cases. They make other accessories like these AirPod cases. They also make other things like this M Performance backpack. This thing is super sick. It has the BMW logo, the M logo, the M colors on it. It even has carbon fiber on the backpack, bro. This is sick. Even got a little tablet case or whatever you want to do. Hugo was actually rocking this the other day as like a little side bag, like the new style, you know what I mean? This is hard, bro. For us BMW fans, this is freaking awesome, guys. I've actually been rocking their carbon fiber case right here. Like I said, it has the BMW logo, the M logo. This thing looks freaking sick. It also protects your phone, and it's only right to put my BMW on the screen. And what's cool about AD Digital Solutions is that they're licensed by BMW, guys. So this is not no like knockoff stuff or people are just printing BMW logos. None of that fake stuff that you guys see online and stuff. This is actual BMW stuff. So these are super legit, and they don't only do BMW, they do Ferrari, Mercedes, AMG, and a bunch of other cool brands. Really, really sick quality, guys. So I definitely recommend this stuff if you guys are a BMW fan, if you guys have an M3. I know a lot of you guys have M's, and right now they're hooking you guys up. If you use my code NICK20 at checkout, it'll give you guys 20% off. This is awesome. I cannot thank them enough. Go grab something, you guys will not regret it. I'm not a mechanic. Damn, you got a bunch of stuff. What is that? Should we unbox it? Did you unbox it for your vlog or no?
Yeah.
Damn, carbon fiber? That shit's hard. Damn, that's crazy. So you got carbon fiber intakes that you want to install, which I don't even know how to do. And the grill, guys. It's like the best mod that every G80 could get. As you guys know, everyone on these G80s, everyone hated the front grills on these cars, but yeah, companies started making stuff like this, and that thing's sick. It changes the whole look of the car. That shit's gonna look fire. The mods are starting. Where do you even start, bro? Was this a bad idea?
Because I don't know why it has this big ass bar.
I'm sure we can figure it out.
Yeah.
Hopefully. YouTube videos. But yeah, we got Gustavo's car here, guys. You guys remember this thing? This thing's sick. The red bucket seats. I should just close the garage right now and just keep it hostage. This shit looks hard. You can turn that on, look, the little light there. That makes it brighter a little bit. Damn, a little better. We're gonna try to install the grills today and the intakes. Hopefully we don't mess anything up. I know, I'm scared to mess this car up, bro. I think we have to take the bumper off, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, this shit hot. All right, hopefully it's not too hard. I think there's a couple bolts up here, a couple on the side probably, and then there's a couple underneath. We're just waiting for my dad to bring home the jack, but yeah. It should not be too hard, hopefully. It's just scary because it's a nice car. But this shit is so sick, dude. All the carbon. This is gonna way better with all carbon though, with this carbon. You need a lip too.
I know, that's next.
Carbon lip? And you need bigger turbos too. I'm sure this is gonna make cool noises though on intakes.
That's what I was gonna say, that I wanted to record a video of like stock intakes.
Oh yeah. Well, if anyone wants to take off a G80 bumper, it's not bad. There's like 2 bolts right here, 8 mils, and then there's like 10 mils underneath, and that's pretty much it. Oh, on the top, and that's it. It's actually super simple to take the bumper off. And then the intakes, they're gonna be the front mounted intakes, so they come out like right here in the grills. So it's gonna look sick, but I don't know how we're supposed to do that. Crazy. Way better on. This is the last time you work on your car? Look how easy the intake boxes come out. No way is that easy. Hey guys, we had to cut the little air ducts out too. So this car's never gonna go back to stock. It's salvage though. Look at all the stuff they've taken off, dude. This is all the intake stuff. These are the things that we took off. They went like right here. Something like that. But yeah, we don't need those anymore. They're like sick though, the front intakes. They're gonna be right there. So you can see it through the grill. Big ass piping though. So far so good, guys. Now we just gotta put it back together somehow. I'm excited to hear it though. That shit gonna sound sick, I think. Look how much stuff we took off. My bad. Look at all this plastic stuff, guys. You don't even use anymore. Remember, brother?
Twisted my ankle, brother.
No way, dude.
Twisted my ankle.
You see all the stuff we took off?
Yes, I don't know what you guys are doing. All I know is whatever you guys are doing to this thing, oh, fucking it up. Cheers, cheers, cheers to the.
Mine's not opening it.
Yeah, me. Okay, it still starts. We didn't break it. You can hear it?
Yeah, I hear it.
Can you hear it or no?
I can hear it from the inside.
This is Chris Fix here, and we're gonna show you guys how to build this in 30 seconds. Chris Fix. Guys, we're done. Finally, look what time it is. What time is it? It's late?
It is 9:17.
9 o'clock, bro. We started at like 4. Yeah, we should do some flybys and stuff. That'd be sick. I want to see if we can hear the intakes and the turbos. Bro, look at this interior. It is louder on. Intake just flies out.
I know. Hopefully we put everything on good.
fast for stock. Oh my god.
Woo. Sounds good. Sounds so sick.
It's just an intake, but it's a super, super loud ass difference.
I know, that shit is crazy. Oh my god. God damn, that shit sounds so sick, bro.
All he needs is an exhaust, and he's good.
Yeah. It looks so good, bro. Essential Auto Spa. You need a car wash. We wash it. Plug.
Chico got the clips. You gotta send me those.
Sounds sick. Bro, it sounds good.
Oh yeah, that sounds fucking crazy. Intakes sound good and they look good too. Look at that. Damn, the front mount intakes are sick. And obviously the grill, the carbon fiber grill made a huge difference too. Looks way better all carbon fiber. Now all he's missing is the front lip. That's pretty much it. Lower it, put some spacers. This car's perfect already, bro. Dude, it's fast. I haven't been in it.
It's so sick.
Driving in it even stock, it's fast as hell.
Sounds crazy too.
I love the color, bro. Look at that. He got like literally the perfect G80, bro. Bro, I'm so jealous, dude. My favorite is just the interior, guys, but you see how good the interiors look on these? But yeah, that's a perfect spec with that interior and this exterior. Fire. You got Jose's car too. It's just sick. With the TEs on it. These wheels are just so clean, bro. Alright guys, we're gonna get some shots from the outside. Damn, that shit sounds crazy. But that shit is fast, dude, for being so stock. It's not stock no more, it got intake.
Nah, it's still
It's still stock.
It don't got no tune in it.
Bro, it does sound like my GTR. Loud ass intakes. Bro, imagine both of us on the freeway. Oh, that shit sounds sick. With my broken transmission. Shoo. Bro, that shit is loud, dude. All you hear is intakes now.
It sounds really good.
He needs to make the exhaust louder now. That's the next
I know, that's
step.
what I was telling the channel. I didn't get to hear it before. I don't know if you guys got to hear it.
No, I didn't hear it before either, but I'm pretty sure you can't hear anything of that intake noise. Sheesh, something about to suck us in. That shit sounds crazy. Bro, this shit is fast.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow.